Hello, greetings and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and today in this tutorial we'll learn how to set up Gmail SMTP Server. It's a step-by-step guide and I'm going to teach you how to do it in just 3 minutes. So to get started, you have to log into your Gmail account, and once you've logged in, you click on the icon here and go to manage your Google account. So once you've gotten to manage your Google account, you go to security and sign in and ensure you have the two-step verification turned on. If you don't have two-step verification turned on, please do it. So once you've turned on two-step verification, you go to the search bar at the very top and search for app password. And you click on app password here. And you need to confirm your login again. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, Google just wants to verify that it's actually. Now, the reason why we need an app password is that you cannot create or set up Gmail SMTP without an app password. Your regular email account password won't work for SMTP, so you need to create an app password. So once you've gotten to the app password creation page, you just give your app password a name. So in my case, I'm going to say SMTP or Email Bouncer, and I'll click on create. So this is my SMTP app password. So just ensure you copy it and save it somewhere safe. So I'm going to just highlight and click on copy, and I'll paste it here for safekeeping. And I'll head back to the app password page and I click on done. So now that we've created our app password, let's test and see if our app password actually works. And to do that, there are several online tools that you could use to test your Gmail SMTP credentials. So just simply open up a new tab here on your browser and search for SMTP tester. There's a whole lot of them, so you could choose whichever one you want. No, I don't want to use this one. I just want to be able to select. So I usually love using Gmail. So I click on SMTP test 2. And wait for the page to load up. So here, I'll just have to provide my Gmail SMTP credentials to test. So the first column, which is your SMTP server, and for Gmail, the SMTP credentials is smtp.gmail.com. And the port, you could use port 587 or port 465. So I'm going to use port 587 for test. And the username, I just have to enter my email address here for the username. So my email address is wilsontaiwo9@gmail.com. So I'll provide it here. And the password, I'm going to use the app password that I generated a few minutes ago. So I'm copy. And I'll paste it here. And the from email address, I'm also going to use my email address. That's my Gmail address for the from email address. And finally, we're going to need a to email address. That's the recipient's email address. And for this, I love using a temporary disposable email address from this platform, temp-emails.org. This is it right here, temp-emails.org. This is the right one. And with this temporary email generator, you could generate temporary email address in multiple languages. You can see English, German, Arabic, and the whole lot of them. So let's use for Arabic for this tutorial. And so now we have to complete the capture challenge to prove that we're not a robot. And now we could choose to generate either a random email or a custom. So let's just go for a random email address this time, a random temporary email address by clicking this box right here. Okay, so our temporary email address has been generated for us. I'm going to click on copy the email address here. Okay, now head back to our SMTP test tool and we'll paste it in this box here and we'll click on test it. Awesome. So you can see the result here. Our SMTP test was successful. So this shows that we have successfully created Gmail or set up our own Gmail SMTP server. So you could use the credentials of this Gmail SMTP to send emails. And if you'd love to learn how to send bulk emails using Gmail SMTP, then simply head over to this platform here, search for Email Bouncer Academy on Google, and you click on this right here, learn.emailbouncer.org. And you head over to courses. We have a free course on how to send. It's a full course on how to use Gmail SMTP and send bulk emails without restriction. So this is a free course here. You can enroll for it. It's free without cost. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification icon so whenever we create new content for our YouTube channel, you won't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in our next tutorial. Bye-bye.